back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be DIYing these shorts. They were jeans before. I'll put a picture on the screen or you can see it in the thumbnail of what the before looks like, but yeah, pretty drastic difference. They were huge, but I made it so it's cinched on the waist and I rolled them into shorts, and I think they look super cute, and it's actually like wicked easy to do this part. I didn't think it was hard at all. I thought it was going to be a little bit harder than it was, but it wasn't, and I think they turned out really good. They were probably like 3 sizes too big for me, and now they kind of look like they fit, but they look like mom kind of jeans or boyfriend jean shorts. So but yeah, if you want to see how to make these shorts out of Levi jeans, I thrifted mine, by the way, for like $7, and I made them into this. That's why I really don't care if like I messed up, but I didn't mess up. If you like this video and you like the way these turned out, then please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment down below, and maybe share with your friends, and you guys can do it as like an activity. Literally, I got mine from the Salvation Army, and I'm pretty sure they have those everywhere, right?
Yes.
Or your local thrift store, whatever. Literally $7 for Levi jeans. So yeah, if you want to see how to make these, then please just keep on watching. So I got these Levi's from the Salvation Army. I think they're the 505s, they're men's. So they're, you know, they don't fit me well because I'm not shaped like a box like a man. But they're, you know, big on me. I don't know what size they are. It doesn't say on the inside. So, but yeah, we're gonna turn these into shorts. And I'm gonna try to cinch them at the top so it's like that all the way around. I don't know how to describe it. But I'm hoping that it'll look cute, but we might fail. But we're gonna film it still. When we cut the leg off to make the shorts, well, I'm gonna leave a little bit because I wanna roll them. But also we're gonna take the leg part and try to make like a jean belt out of it. So it can go and make the belt hoops and it'll be like the same wash, and we'll make like a bow out of it. I don't know if it's gonna be long enough, so we might have to attach like 2 ends together, you know what I mean? You'll see if we do it. Right now, I'm just gonna measure out where I want the short line to be, and then I'm gonna cut them. I had marked them when I had them on, as you saw, just so I could get like a rough idea about where I want them, but I don't want to cut them too short, so I might even cut them below this a little bit, just so I don't like mess them up, you know? So I just cut them, and I cut them pretty evenly if I do say so myself. But I just rolled this side because that's kind of what I want them to be like. So I'm gonna roll this side too. So this is what they're going to look like, kind of like on the leg. I'm gonna stitch it like probably here and here just so they don't unroll all the time. But now we're going to take these off and put the elastic band like into this part. Okay, so now there's a part, like 2 layers of like jean. We're gonna cut the inside part, just like a little slit of it, not the outside. There's not gonna be any holes on the outside. We're gonna take this elastic band and I'm gonna sew it to this part, just because I'm doing it in 2 pieces because I can't do it through the actual like Levi thing or it'll come off. So I'm gonna do it here, and then I'm gonna fish it all the way through to the front and cut another little slit on the inside, and then put them on. And I'm gonna pull it like taut once I have both through. And then I'm going to like probably tie the fronts together just to see how tight I want it to be. And then I will sew whatever length I want it at in place, like on both of these sides. If that doesn't make sense to you, you can just watch what I'm doing and try to understand it. But I hope that made sense. I just made like a little bit of a hole here, and then this side has nothing. We're gonna attach this onto here. Okay, so now I just sewed this into there, so it should be good. I did it a lot so that it would not come off because I'm scared, but now I'm going to, I just took a wire hanger and like unraveled it so I can fish it all the way through to the front. And I should probably cut a little slit on the front so you guys will need to come out of. And now I'm going to just take the front of this like elastic and I'm going to take one of these little rubber bands, this elastic onto it just so it doesn't come off while I'm fishing it through because that would be a pain. And I just put them on after I put the elastic through, and then I took each side of the elastic and tied it to where I want them to be. So now I'm just going to take this part and sew them like I sewed them over here. Okay, so I just finished sewing both of these in here, so I'm just gonna cut right here where the elastic is so it doesn't need to be there anymore. This is what your shorts are gonna look like, and obviously button them, and they're super stretchy, so if you have a food baby it won't matter. This is what they look like from the back. You got the Levi sign. It's super cute. Also, I'm gonna eventually sew these up too so they stay up, but I'm lazy, so that's not happening today. And this is what they look like on. I'm gonna try to make the belt. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but these are what it looks like without it. You don't have to make the belt, obviously. They look super cute without it anyway. And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you like how these shorts turned out. I was gonna make a jean belt also, but I got lazy. But you can if you want to, but I don't want to. I think that they still look super cute even without a belt, but they would look cute with one too if you want to put one there. But yeah, if you like them, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!